Welcome to the Professor Zest channel. My name is Gabriel Vigil. I'm an 8th grade teacher in sunny Southern California. I've been teaching for 18 years now, and I've done a variety of things as teaching. I'm currently teaching 8th grade history, but I've taught everything from 6th grade all the way up through 12th grade. I've done summer school, self-contained classes, and I loved it all every step of the way. Now, don't be wrong, there's been struggles, but overall, I love the profession of teaching. And also at one point in time, I was a coach for new teachers. So my hope for this channel, my goal for this channel is to make it a place where us teachers can come together to give advice, to get tips, pointers, to share stories, and just a place that we can find comfort and the brotherhood and sisterhood of teaching. And ultimately, my goal is to create a community that we can be there in support of each other, definitely through these hard times that we're going through right now. And sticking with the motto of Professor Zest, the ultimate goal I have is for us teachers to build a community so we can work together, so that way we can make lemon days into lemonade weeks. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification button.